Good morning, everyone. Today, on this date, we are going to see or to study how do we integrate PS function. We may ask ourselves, what does it mean, PS functions? PS function is a combination of different functions. When it is the definite PS functions, it means also it will have different boundaries. Now we are going to see how or what is the form of PS function and how do we integrate. Using typical example, let's see how the PS function is look like. Let's give you an example. Integral from 0 up to 6 of f of x dx, we write as integral from 0 up to 6 of f of x. And now we define what is the form of this function. You see, the function f of x for our example is defined by x squared and 3x minus 2. You see that now we have two different functions. Now, this function, its boundary does not beyond 2 to 2. From 0 up to 2. This is the upper boundary of this one among the compound of PS function. This is the upper boundary of this function. And then we have also 3x minus 2, where it has lower boundary 2 and the upper boundary is x. And even if the upper boundary x, but it is given here, it does not beyond to 6. This is an example of PS function. Anyway, you will meet or you will see this kind of function, understand that it is called PS function. Now, we are going to see how, on which technique do we use to integrate this kind of function. Let's flow. Integrating 0 up to 6 f of x, which was defined, is equal to integral of f of x from the first boundary from 0 up to 2 of the first function. The first function is x squared. X squared is the first function, plus integral of second function from 2 up to 6. Remember, we have two functions, x squared and 3x minus 2. The first function, the lower boundary is 0 and the upper boundary is 2. Here, you or anyone, you must identify which is the lower boundary and which is the upper boundary on each PS function given. For our case, the lower boundary of x squared is 0 and the upper boundary of x squared is 2. Plus integral of 3x, which is the second piece function, 3x minus 2 from 2 up to 6. You see, now those are simple functions to integrate. But the hint behind is to identify the boundaries of each PS function. Now, as we know, the integral of x squared is x cubed over 3, and then we replace those boundaries. Here we have two different functions, 3x minus 2. We integrate separately. Integral of 3x is 3x squared because we added 1 here over the the power gotten here. Minus integral of 2x of 2 is 2x. The final technique is to know how to replace boundaries. Let's finalize by replacing boundaries because we'll do application activities in pairs for more clarification. When we replace boundaries, we start on the upper boundary. We replace x by 2. 2 power 3 is 8 over 3. Replace 0 by x, we get 0. Now we have 8 over 3 minus 0. We come here. We replace x by 6. 6 power 2 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 times 3 is 54. Minus 6 times 2 is 12. Minus, replace by 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 2 times 2, which is 4. Now, we replace 8 over 3 plus. Now, when we do the difference between 54 minus 12 minus 2, we get 28. Putting on the same denominator, here we have 8 plus 3 times 28, it's become 124 over 3, and we add the unit of area. Unit of area. This is the answer. The main technique here is to identify the lower boundary and the upper boundary of each piece of function. In the past week, if you remember, we saw a hint of integrating the power of cosine and the power of sine, where n can be odd or can be even. Now, this is the formula we use to integrate those kind of how do we integrate the power of cosine or the power of sine? As you remember, in the past week, we shared this hint where we use for integrating the power of cosine, where we take 1 over the power given times the cosine x, the power minus 1 sine x plus the power minus 1 over the power given integral of cosine x power n minus 1 dx, where n here is the power given. It is called reduction formula of integrating the power of cosine. We use this formula when the power is odd or even. It is the same on cosine and sine. Here we know the difference between sine and cosine. And also we shared about how to integrate the product of trigonometric function using Simpson's formula. If we have now the product of sine cosine, in integrating you have sine, we have sine, where we start by doing the subtraction, and then we add, and we divide by 1/2, and then we find the integral of the summation or the subtraction. In your summary note, if you don't have those formulas or hint, you may write for 2 minutes. This time now is to work in groups and try to perform those given exercises of application, where on the first exercise we integrate cosine x power 3 from 0 up to 4 up to pi over 4 dx. Try to apply the formula of reduction, then you replace boundaries. Number 2 is to integrate the product of sine and cosine. Using transformation formula of Simpson formulas, try to integrate sine 2x cosine 2x from 0 up to pi over 6 dx. Number 3 is to integrate PS function, where we have f of x, which is equal to minus x from the boundary x greater to 0. Here you must identify which lower boundary and which upper boundary. You may start by our PS function is minus x and x square from those boundaries. But the given boundaries we must not go beyond is minus 2 up to 3. Number 4 is to integrate x square root of x minus 8, x square root of 8 minus x square dx from minus 1 up to 2. You may write those application activities in your summary note. Then in pairs, we are going to see how we can solve those exercises. Let's write now those exercises. Then in pairs or in the groups, we work together for sharing knowledge and skills, how we can integrate those kind of functions. We may do those exercises in 1 hour of 60 minutes. I call upon the collaboration whereby it is easy to identify whom are able and who need the support. All of you are welcome. At the end of this application activity, we have a kind of assessment which will be also done in a group. in Google Form. Whereby you will share, solve in pairs or in a group, then use Google Form to choose the best answer after calculation. Okay, thank you very much.